What's good, y'all? It's your boy Fast Life Ty. Tuesday, I remote started my car like always, you know, to warm it up and whatnot. And then it just shut off after like 10 seconds. So I just got in the car, I turned it on, then I see my check engine light popped up. So knowing for us Dodge Chargers, like the check engine light is on, your remote start would not work at all. So after work, I went to AutoZone to get the free OBD scan or whatever, and I got the error code P0441, evaporative mission system incorrect purge flow. So the piece for Mopar was about 32 bucks with my military discount, of course. So I went there yesterday. They didn't have it in stock, so they ordered it. So I just I went there at 9 o'clock today to pick it up. So let's get into the video. This right here, you want to press that red pin that way. You just want to slide it off of this. It's the red pin. Just slide it off of this. Up. There it goes. There's this green tab right here that you want to push in. There's also a sleeve in the back that you want to pull off. You just got to wiggle it. So I got this piece off. For this piece, you kind of just have to wiggle back and forth, meaning that it's tightly on there. And for this bottom piece, you have to push the green clip in and just pull up, and it'll just come off easily. Now let's get the new one and put it in. And, you know, we're gonna just do it in reverse. Pop this piece in, plug that sleeve on, attach this, sit it back down. We're good to go. So make sure you put that piece in, put that sleeve back on, pop that in, make sure you push the red pin back that way, make sure it's seated. Let's see if this fixed my problem. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Fast Life Ty. Just pulled up back to work, got my filling done, so kind of right side of my face kind of swollen and numb. When I did the swap on the piece, the check engine light was still on, but while I was driving, I noticed that it just turned off. So hopefully, like, because when I was reading up on it, it said like, oh, you need to drive a couple miles, you know, and eventually it'll turn off. I guess this was like the couple amount of miles until it turned off. So let's remote start and see if the car stays on. If so, then that's a thumbs up. See, normally takes about 10 seconds.